Take a slow, deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do that again. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Now let out a nice long sigh of relief. You're beginning to relax now. Close your eyes and imagine yourself lying on a beautiful, warm, sandy beach. The vibrant, brilliant sun is shining down upon you, stimulating the soft skin on your body. You feel a gentle breeze delicately passing over your content and beautiful face, rustling through your hair. You hear the rolling rush of the ocean waves. Listen to the healing sound, and as you do, I will begin saying some positive, uplifting, and loving words to you. I ask you to open up your mind and your heart and let these wonderful words become a permanent part of your special being. Listen and accept. You are thankful every day for the wonderful gift of human life. Your life is simple and easy. You deserve and receive everything wonderful that you desire. You are a magnet for success. The best and the highest comes to you at every moment. You are always in the right place at the right time, doing exactly what is right for you. Every day you grow younger, healthier, and more beautiful. You enjoy being kind and good to yourself, as well as to others. You deserve to be loved and accept love in your life easily and effortlessly. You understand that to love and to be loved are the two most important things to experience. Let love flow throughout your whole being. Feel it all around you. You are loved. You watch the rolling tide as it flows gracefully along the shore. It's just amazing how this world was created, from the highest mountain top to the most delicate blade of green grass. Everything in this world is unique, one of a kind, including yourself. You are a special individual. Learn to appreciate every single quality about yourself for each one is remarkable. Let your thoughts and feelings wander free as you continue to enjoy the ocean tide. Think of how you can inspire someone's day today. Dream big. The world is ready to give you everything that you desire. You are worthy of it, you deserve it, and you accept it. Enjoy.